Good morning, everyone. Upon receiving a appointment letter from the TESDA Provincial Office, I initially came to site and to confirm the assessment schedule. And I also coordinated the assessment center manager and prior to competency assessment. I have double-checked the facilities and the competencies of the tools, materials, the venues, and the lighting of ventilation. It is compliant with standard of the training regulations of BCW, HANSPA, and C2, in accordance with the Philippine TESDA Competency Assessment Certification System. And candidates, welcome to PUP, a training and assessment center accredited by TESDA. And by the way, my name is Rian Binete, and I am your competency assessor for BCW, HANSPA, and C2. And before we start, I would like to acknowledge the presence of Ms. Hill and our assessment manager for our checking the assessment methodologies. So this, can I get the application form? So this assessment package includes all of the materials that you will be needing in this assessment. So under your assessment package, we have here the attendance sheet, application forms, and assessment guide, waiting sheet, one assessor guide, consent form, and competency assessment results, summary, and of course, the two performance evaluation form. Okay. Once I call your name, you come here. Miss Carla Banes. Can I get your ID and your admission number? So next is Miss Princess Gonzalez. I think Miss Gonzalez. So candidates, I have here your accomplished self-assessment and guide and your application form. These documents are proof that you know and understood and you can perform all the enumerated unit of competencies for BCW, HANSPA, and C2, and no one forcing you to take this assessment. And so now, always remember the purpose of this assessment is to measure your competency level for this qualification. Once you meet the minimum requirement for BCW, HANSPA, and C2, you will be certified and awarded for national certificate, and you can use this for your promotion, job opportunities. So BCW, HANSPA, and C2 are categorized in various interconnected sectors that focus on enhancing physical and promoting overall beauty, and also categorized in 3 units of competencies. And candidates, you have to perform various, and I will be giving you 3 hours each to finish all the tasks. candidates, do you have any questions? I give you 1 minute to answer. So with our the paper that I will give you is the instructional as well. So with our oral questioning, this will be measuring your attitude and underpinning knowledge and with this qualification. So let us proceed to this. Let us proceed to the 2 house rules. So during the oral questioning, if you encounter any difficulties understanding the question, don't hesitate to ask because I will give you a allowable adjustment by simply providing a guide for you and for better understanding. And once you complete the task that I mentioned, I will be calling you individually for the feedback and also candidate. You have the right to appeal. If you feel there's an error or unfairness during the assessment, your right is important and TESDA is committed and also the TESDA is committed once you complete the task that I will give you allowable adjustment, and during the assessment you are not allowed to use any electronic devices in which we caught cheating. You will be disqualified in this assessment. You are not allowed to eat or to go out during assessment. So the assessment results are strictly confidential. It can be assessed by authorized personnel and by your training centers. So candidates, here's the consent form. Can you get one? And I will give you an example and try to read it and understand. And after that, please sign the form. Please sign the form. Okay, so now everything has been accomplished. So, okay, are you done? So now everything has been accomplished, especially your consent form to those who will become competent in this qualification. You will get your national certificate and the validity of the certificate is 5 years from the date of assurance, but if you found out that you're not competent, don't worry because you can still make the reassessment. So, candidate, before we proceed the orientation, do you have any questions? Because later on, you will not be allowed to ask questions anymore. Since you don't have any questions, you may have 30 minutes break and please go back to the classroom. Okay, so now we are going to begin our assessment properties and get your specific instruction in your rating sheet. Thank you. So I will give you a 10 minutes to familiarize all the equipment and tools that you are going to use during the demonstration. This is the machine of Hanska. This is the turmeric oil for hand spa, and this is paraffin wax. you can see that you need to prepare, or you only have 4 minutes to finish. And do you have any questions? So you may start now.
Wala.
And now, once I call your name, you can come in front. Miss Gonzalez. Kamusta naman, Miss Gonzalez? Thank you. Itatanong na ako sa iyo para sa oral contribution. So, for you, what are the topics that you need performing a standard hand spa treatment from first preparation to first, Miss Carla.
Okay naman ako kay Pangapin ng mga kapatid. Hindi na naman mga lugar. And ay mga kapatid.
So, hindi na tatanungin pa.
Sure.
So, for you, what safety and hygiene practices must be followed before, during, and after providing a hand spa services? Okay, that's it. So, we will go back to this. Thank you, Miss Carla. Okay. Okay, your final assessment is I tingnan ko na kung incompetent or competent na yun. Tama. Miss Gonzalez. So, Miss Gonzalez, kamusta naman po kami na sa pag-demonstrate ng mga procedures sa hand spa? Pansin ko lang po kanina na parang alam mo na lahat ng mga dapat gawin, pati yung mga materials and tools. So, ang mga bibigay ko sa'yo, okay, so, thank you, congrats. Miss Carla. So, Miss Carla, kamusta naman po? Kanina po, as to yung minutes. Bakit gano'n na ang dami pero hindi pala ay ano po yung performance mo during the research? Hindi ka pa masyadong familiarize sa tools and materials. So, masasabi ko lang po, Miss Carla, incompetent or not competent ka. So, pasensya na. Pero, pwede kang mag-reassess.
Okay.
After 6 months, pwede ka bumalik. Kahit na competent ka, hindi ka. Congrats. Okay, now, your final assessment is now ended. It's already finalized now. I will be calling you and thank you for all the performance that you showed. Thank you, trainees. Thank you.
Kaya tapos bigla nagtagalog.